Hi, this is Jeremy Stevens, and I'm the lead software representative at Widener. Today I'd like to talk with you about the flexible structure that exists within MFR Live and how you can utilize that structure to manage strategic and operational performance. First and foremost, as a user, you have the ability to create a structure within MFR Live that reflects your organization's approach to performance management. Whether you are managing jurisdictional performance, evaluating the effectiveness and efficiency of a program, and/or simply monitoring individual projects or initiatives. When you create your structure within MFR Live, you are creating the foundation from which you can track, manage, and report performance. Let's begin by talking about how you can use the flexible structure within MFR Live to manage the strategic performance of your organization, your department, or both. If you are seeking to manage the overall performance of your organization, your goals and/or strategic results can live within MFR Live. You can track your progress via the system, and you can manage overall performance by monitoring your performance dashboards and accessing detailed measure information to ensure you meet your performance targets. If you are seeking to manage the performance of those departments or agencies within your organization, your information can also live within MFR Live. Your department or agency-wide goals can be tracked and monitored via your performance dashboard, and with the click of your mouse, you can also access detailed information behind each measure to look for trending and make any needed corrections to ensure you meet your performance targets. In addition to managing the overall performance of your organization and/or department or agency, with MFR Live you can also manage the operational performance of those programs, projects, and/or initiatives that align with and support your overall mission. Operational programs can be added to MFR Live and aligned under a specific department or agency. Your specific performance measures can be added to each program, and you can track and manage performance via your performance dashboards and the detailed information that exists for each measure in the system. If you have a number of programs that have a common purpose or that fall within the same category, you have the opportunity to group those programs together. For example, if a fire department within a city or county has a program devoted to fighting fires and also one devoted to EMS rescue, it might be decided that both of these programs fall under a category called emergency response. By grouping like programs together, you are positioned to speak to the performance of each individual program as well as the overall performance of the grouping or line of business. So now that we've talked about the levels of structure within MFR Live and how you can manage performance within each level, let's actually go into the system and go through the motions of creating a sample structure. From the administration page, we can add, delete, and/or make modifications to our structure. To begin, we'll click on the Edit pencil next to Organization and assign our organization a name. Since we are creating an example today, we can simply leave the title as is, hit the Save button in the upper right, and continue adding to our structure. If we want to add a department to our structure, we click on the orange diamond-shaped icon and add the department's name. To maintain a level of consistency with the fire department example mentioned earlier, let's simply name this department Fire Department and hit Save. This will take us back to the administration page. From here, we can add some operational levels to our department. Using the same approach, we can add a line of business to the fire department by clicking on the yellow square icon. To stay consistent with our example, we can title it Emergency Response and hit Save. If under our line of business we would like to add some operational programs that are very specific and that roll up within our line of business, we can click on the blue triangle icon and add as many programs as is necessary to match our organization structure and/or our approach to managing performance. I'm going to add 2 programs here and name them Fire Suppression Response and Emergency Medical Response. And there you go. We have just created a sample structure within MFR Live and can now begin adding strategic and operational performance measures to each level. Now, if your approach differs from the sample we just created, no problem. It's your system, and you create the structure that works for you. The important thing is that you have access to your performance information so you can measure, manage, and make decisions about your organization's performance in real time. As your organizational approach to performance management grows and changes over time, so too can your structure within MFR Live. If you'd like to learn more about what you can do within MFR Live, or how the system can support and facilitate the management of your organization's performance, please don't hesitate to contact us to schedule a one-on-one demonstration. Thank you.